reality and show them what you got. You got more than meets the eye, and the others all forgot.
Okay, I'm just about to give Rich Gibbons a call and see what happened to him on Sunday.
Said it's on, it's on, it's on now. You got to believe in reality FC. In reality FC.
No answer.
Tom, there's no bloody kids here, only my kids. All the rest are bloody dodgy teenagers. I should be at home.
What happened to your arm?
I fell off my bike on the way home from work. Spent Monday night at the hospital. And my knee as well.
Where's your knee?
They're just alright now, only a little graze. Nothing bad. We can compare scars once more with mine heals.
What's that from?
Slide tackling.
Risky business.
Yeah. Slow motion replay.
We struggled so much last week. What I will survive was, critical to our situation.
Isn't that kind of demoralising?
Bit defeat.
Yeah. Don't worry, guys. We will survive this match.
Exactly. We will survive.
We're not gonna win. We'll survive.
Such negative vibes.
Yeah. Antony Cox.
I did say.
Guys, the only volunteer we've got for goalkeeper is Lashkar at the moment, who's not here yet. Does anybody fancy it until he gets here?
Wow.
Have we got some?
Yeah, it's cool, mate. Yeah. Will you get here for 10:30? Do you think you'll get here for 10:30?
Oh, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good luck. On this rain-soaked football pitch, it is Hillingdon United versus Reality FC. Referee checks that the players are ready, and away we go. Ball is rolled back to the Hillingdon United defender. Just bring the ball forward. Rich Gibbons wins it, does well, cuts inside on his right foot, but the ball is back with Hillingdon United. As they move the ball around, there's Rob Taylor on the right wing for Reality FC. Stands out with his ginger hair. The attacker goes past Antony Cox, and the ball is Rich Madams. Rob Taylor today is making his debut, drafting in at short notice. There he is. The ball played up the line to Rich Madams, the right back, to Phil Buggs, and the ball is seen out of play. It's a kick from David Preece, who's been drafted into goal, headed on by Antony Cox. One back by John Finn. Plays it into Rob Range. That's John Finn to Rob Taylor. That's John Finn, and the ball is back with Hillingdon United, and the ball played out wide. And Mitchell Aubrey's not there, but Dan Leckie is, but the ball is hit and it's gone into the bottom corner. And that's an early lead for Hillingdon United. Several players caught out of position there, and here comes Jason Newell with Courtney Cummins. Jason Newell, late starting, but he's brought straight back in up front. Reality FC starting with 10 men. Phil Buggs over the top to Jason Newell, who's just come on. What can he do? And he drags it wide and goal. Always a threat, Jason Newell. Here come Hillingdon United. Ball is whipped across, a free header off the post. Rich Madams with the challenge. Oh, it's gone in. The number 2 extends the lead for Hillingdon United. As Reality FC crash yet again. Poor kick from Preece. Ball knocked over the top. John Finn with the header. And there's Mitchell Aubrey. Wondered where he'd got to, but the ball is back with Hillingdon United. Here's the attacker. Plays it inside. Dan Leckie and Rob Range chase the ball around, putting pressure on. Rob Range with the challenge there, and well won back by Dan Leckie. Plays it forward to Jason Newell, back to Dan Leckie. Back to Phil Buggs. He leaves it for Rob Taylor, but the number 6 with some trickery. Rich Madams crashes the player to the ground, and the play continues. Preece makes himself big. The number 11 turns and shoots and buries that. And Reality FC are looking in disarray at the back. It's Mitchell Aubrey with the free kick, but it's just given to the number 11, who clears the ball. Mitchell Aubrey brings down John Finn. Mitchell Aubrey with the challenge. Oh, the player's coasted through. Can he cut the ball across? He can, under pressure from Rich Madams. Antony Cox is there. Oh dear, it's 3-0. Hillingdon United extend their lead yet again as they piggyback in celebration. Number 14 inside, and it's a free effort. Oh, he's drilled that into the goal. 4-0. No pressure on the ball, and it's buried. The goalkeeper unsighted. Reality FC heads down all over the pitch now. What can they do in return? Antony Cox there with the yellow boots. Takes his time to pick out the pass wide to Rob Taylor. Nice control inside to Phil Buggs. Plays a lovely ball over. It falls to Jason Newell, who goes through. It's a good challenge from the number 15. And the goalkeeper collects. Jason Newell, was he fouled? Apparently not.
Lashkar here.
But it's a corner ball. Phil Buggs, nice delivery. Oh, Jason Newell at the back post. Couldn't get the header on target. Could have been a lifeline for Reality FC. Goal kick for them. There's Rob Taylor, tries to collect the ball. And the whistle goes for half time.
Just started flashing. Sorry. I've got one in my pocket.
Trust me, it took me so much time.
It's alright, you're not the only one to get lost. Someone else got lost.
Sorry guys, I'm late. Took me 1.5 hours to find.
It didn't help that
Sorry,
we weren't
David.
answering David's phone.
Straight and get some drinks. Am I in the mix up?
Dave, to bring
The secret to it.
What, better players?
What more could you ask for? I agree.
Smile.
Someone take the ball.
I'm sitting here on my birthday in the rain.
Oh, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Say good.
I did try and score.
Just for me. Just for me.
So the second half is underway. Some substitutions for Reality FC. Courtney Cummins comes on. Lashkar Chauhan goes in goal. And Dave Preece goes to right midfield in a new look 4-4-2. All down the line, Antony Cox looks beaten for speed, but the referee gives a goal kick. John Finn with that. Headed on by the Hillingdon United player. There's Rich Gibbons. Looks to cut inside. Ball into Jason Newell. Let it go for Preece, who's gone through here. He's beaten his man and the keeper saves, but the referee gives a foul against Dave Preece. Apparently grabbed back the defender. It's a good header under pressure from Leckie. John Finn holds the player off. Plays it out to Mitchell Albury, but the ball is knocked forward. Dan Leckie with the challenge, but he's beaten. Number 11 here, plenty of room, and they're just passing it for fun, but the referee blows for offside. Antony Cox with the throw. Good header by the defender. Falls to Rob Range, who hits that. Oh, he's hit that to the bottom of the corner of the goal. And Reality FC pull one back. 4-1 down now. Can they mount a comeback? It's been done before, you never know. Let's have a look at that. Antony Cox with the throw. It's a good header by the defender, and it just falls lovely to Rob Range. And his left arm is out to maintain balance. His knee is over the ball and his head is up. Superb bit of technique from Rob Range. Scored goal of the season last season. Could be an early contender there as well. John Finn. Number 7 for Hillingdon United. Number 5. Good pressure from Jason Newell. Courtney Cummins is through here. And he runs through the middle of the goal under pressure from 2 defenders. Can he bring out? Oh, it's a disappointing effort from Courtney Cummins. Did well to get through, but the finish wasn't there. Hillingdon United with the throw. Pressure from Preece and Leckie. Now with the striker to the number 7. Plenty of room for the Hillingdon United players. Ball played inside and not cleared from Mitchell Albury, but he puts good pressure on. He's gone past him. The number 7 drags it across. Oh, it's a block. And the ball whipped across the goal. And again, oh, Rich Madams with an excellent challenge there. He had to do something and he just managed to get his foot in the way. The winger has burst down the wing. He goes past Rich Gibbons here. Good challenge for Antony Cox, but it's still with the number 10. Antony Cox can't get him. He beats John Finn and Dave Preece, and he hits a good effort, and it's a good save from Lashkar Chauhan in goal. They called him lucky, and he was a tad fortunate with that tip over, as it was given. It's a goal kick, but now the ball's back with the number 20. Hits it through the middle. Antony Cox tries to deal with it. He does it on the second time. It's a nice ball over the top. Courtney Cummins to Jason Newell. Jason Newell hits a good effort, and then it's just dragged wide of goal. It's a half chance. Ball rolls back to the goalkeeper. To the number 20. Lots of time out here at the moment. Number 7 on the ball. Goes past Rich Gibbons. Rob Range in pursuit. Good clearance from Mitchell Albury. Ball still with Hillingdon United. Goes out wide to the number 20. An odd looking pass up the line, but John Finn is there. It's a good turn. And looks to clear the ball away, but the ball is kept in play by Hillingdon United. Oh, and the number 11 is free here to dig out a ball under no pressure at all, and it's hit in by the number 8. Too many Reality FC players standing around, half-pace jogging, and they suffered the consequences as Hillingdon United make it 5-1. Preece with a challenge. Mitchell Albury as well helps out. There's Dan Leckie. Plays the ball up to Jason Newell. He couldn't control it. The ball collected by Hillingdon United here. Good pressure from Dan Leckie. And again, but the number 20, oh, well one back, Courtney Cummins. Still with the number 10, Jason Newell comes back and helps out. And Dan Leckie goes to the back to start the build-up again with Rich Madams. Plays it out to Rob Range. Looks to beat his man, but it's won back by the number 7, who picks out a shot, or a through ball in fact. Number 11, can he get it onto his right foot? He can, and he buries it into the bottom corner to make that 6-1. As Hillingdon United extend their lead yet again. Big smile on the face of the goal scorer, as that's full time.
Hey lads, much better.
Lads, we played 10 times better in the second half than we did in the first half. The 4-4-2 worked in the second half going to 4-4-2. We can't put it down to much else than another change of formation. Nothing else changed.
Communication, Right guys, stand next to each other. Well, how did that go, lads? First half was poor. Came off, and I think everyone was a little bit demoralised because everything we were trying didn't seem to be working. We were second best all over the park basically. But we went out second half, different formation. Lads got their tails up, and we pretty much, you know, what's the word? Equalled them. Yeah. We battled them man for man for the whole of the second half.
First 25 minutes of the second half was all over them.
Yeah, I think they were a little bit lucky with a few of their goals today, but you know, that luck will go our way on another day, and you know, the result will be positive. But there's definitely plenty of stuff to take from it, and we'll work on the negatives in training so we can iron them out. And yeah, it's definitely a positive result, I'd say, although the scoreline would suggest that.
Yes. I got nothing to say really.
No. Yeah, it's never nice to lose, but it's the manner in which we lost. I think we lost well.
We lost well. Yeah.
We lost well.